Hey guys, it's Mike from Maverick Expeditions. Today we're going to be installing a Toytec 2-inch bump stop extension. Alright, so here's what the bump stop extension looks like. It is a 2-inch aluminum block that is just very beautiful and shiny and pretty and new. And that will be going right here, be tapping the factory bump stop off, installing this in its place, and then the factory bump stop back on underneath that. So here's what comes with the kit. You got the block, you got these two bolts. They are 5/16 bolts that are 3/4 of an inch long with a flat washer and a lock washer. For these you will need a 13mm wrench. You also have these that are 70mm long. It's an 8mm bolt with a beveled head. For that, you will need a 5mm hex key or Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it. I guess it depends on where you're from. I call it an Allen wrench. And you'll also need a 12mm wrench to remove the factory bump stop. The instruction manual says that you will need a 13mm wrench to remove these bolts, but don't pay attention to that because you will need a 12mm. If you use a 13mm, you will strip it out. Alrighty, so let's get started. Alrighty, so the first step is to remove the factory bump stop using your 12mm wrench. Now take a note that the factory bump stop has an H stamped on the outside of the bump stop. So remember that when you're installing it back on there, that this must be on the outside. Now we're going to install the 2-inch aluminum block. Notice how on this side Toytec is etched on the outside. On this side it's not. And also notice this one round corner. All the other corners have a 90 degree. This is on the outside, always remember that. Your rounded edge will be facing the rear of the vehicle. The block for the other side will also have a rounded edge, but it will be on the other side with the Toytec emblem on that side. So let's go ahead and install this. To install the aluminum block, turn the block over and you'll see that it has two beveled holes. That's where you'll use your long beveled bolt. Put it in there like that, and it just bolts in like that. But before we do that, it's always a good idea to use a little bit of thread lock. Not too much, just a little dab will do ya. Oh, well, look who it is. All right, now we have the two long bolts already started up into the frame through the block. And let's go ahead and tighten these up. I'm using an Allen wrench, but to be faster you could use a socket with a ratchet, or just a shorter Allen wrench would work also. Okay, now that we have the extension block installed, now we're going to put back the factory rubber block. On this bolt, it's a good idea to go ahead and use a little bit of Loctite. Just a little dab will do. Using a 13mm wrench, go ahead and tighten these guys up. Alright guys, there you have it. The new 2-inch Toytec rear bump stop relocation spacer. We were able to retain the factory bump stop, which will give us the smooth bump right there, while giving it a really great look. That just looks really good under there. So basically what this bump stop extension does is when you add larger tires to your vehicle, it will limit your up travel and it won't have your tires rubbing into your inner fender well here and possibly puncturing your tires or damaging your body, paint, or anything like that. Alright everybody, thank you for watching another episode of our install series. I hope you liked it, and I hope it helps you install your bump stop extension on your vehicle. And please subscribe for more. We have lots more install videos going on, and also we like to record all of our adventures to share with you guys. So like our Facebook page as well, and we also have a website that you can keep up to date with all of our events and upcoming events, past events, photos, videos, everything like that. So thanks again for watching.